Ok các bạn ơi, bây giờ là tuyết rơi mù mịt rồi nè. Tôi phải dress up rất là warm. I'm dressing up very warm because the snow is like hitting your eyes. It's going sideways. Okay, this is the storm of 2020, the first snow winter storm of 2020. Okay, today is January 17th, 2020. Okay, everything is white snow. Look at that. Okay. Look at the car. See, the cars all covered up. Right now, they're about maybe 2 inches so far. 2 inches, but they're estimating 1 foot. I don't trust the snow, the weatherman. My wife say her mom taught her, don't trust men, especially weathermen. Right? Look at this. Walking in the snow, walking in the snow. Very cool. This is I'm very close by the Mall of America. Okay, it's falling sideways into my nose, my eyes, and everything. Very difficult to see. You have to squint, otherwise the white snow flower will hit your eyes, and it's like cold, right? Right. See? Look at this. Oh, maybe it's about 3 inches already. Look. This is not my car, but let me see. Look how deep it is, okay? Yeah, it's about 3 inches. Oh my gosh, that's freezing. Oh, look at this. That was 3 inches of snow so far. Okay, let me see. I'm walking out of the street. I'm in my parking lot of my apartment, right? It's very beautiful. Look at this, the pine tree, the Christmas tree, right? Christmas tree. Woohoo! There it is. Christmas tree. I hope he's not turning into me. Look at that. This guy is going very slowly. There. It's blowing like crazy. You cannot see. Snow. Look at the car coming. The vehicle coming. Ooh, snow. Look at that. There, they're going away. Ooh, so cold. Look at this. I'm standing at the sidewalk. It's all covered up. See that? You barely see the sidewalk. 3 inches of snow fall so far. 3 phân rồi đó các bạn. 3 phân tuyết rồi đó. Okay, so here. Christmas tree. Only the evergreen trees are still having leaves, right? Look at the tree over there. See, all bare and the leaves are gone. See that? This tree is gone, no leaves. This is winter Minnesota, how it looks like. Hey! They're saying hi to me, so I say, hey! Oh, walking against the wind like this, my gosh, it's hitting your eyes. My eyes, I mean, not your eyes, my eyes. Cannot see, so you have to squint your eyes because it's hitting every part of your face. It's cold. See, this is the sidewalk, and it's all covered in snow. Look at this snow. Look at the snow, and my hands are frozen, so I need to go inside. Okay. Thank you for watching my first winter snow of Minnesota, okay? 2020, the new decade, the snowstorm. This is decade of 2020, snowstorm. Oh my God, opening the door is hurtful because my hands are so numb. Oh my God. I don't know why I live here. I must love the snow because this is very cold. No, my wife loves the snow. You know, my wife married me because she said that she loves the snow. Lucky me. I got in a very, very beautiful woman and two other suitors of her from Texas and California. And she asked them, do you have snow in your state? And they say, no, don't worry. It's warm like Vietnam. And by the way, she disqualified them. key got stuck. Oh my god. Outside snow. Okay, bye. Woo.